Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear Watcher Day subscriber, hope you will be fine and in the high state of iman and health. Today we have two more questions for you, for the student of ELT English language teaching, for the student of linguistics, for the student of BS English 2. So let's get started here, and I'm gonna start now. Let's get started. Question number one. Language of law court. What was the language of law court? In another way, we can say that what was the language of law court at that time, in especially in 12th or 13th century. So the answer is French was the language of liars. French was the language of liars and the law courts down to 1362. Down to 1362. Difference between inflection and derivations. Difference between inflection and derivation. Morphology. Answer. Morphology has two main subdivisions. Namely inflections and derivation. Inflection deals with pattern of word structures that are determined by the role of words in sentences. Derivations creates new words with different meanings. Maltreat from treat. For example, maltreat from treat. I'm gonna repeat it for you. So question is language of law court. So the answer is French was the language of liars. And the law courts down to 1362. Question. Differences between inflection and derivations. Morphology has two main subdivisions. Namely inflection and derivation. Inflection and derivation. Inflection deals with pattern of word structure that are determined by the role of words in sentences. Derivation creates new words with different meanings. For example, maltreat from treat. So we will be right back with you with the new question answers, with the new vlogs, with the new lectures. So let me go now and say with me, do something more for humanity. Bye bye.